Hello guys, you're going to be on camera. Do you want to be on camera? It's okay. Don't pounce on me. Friendly black guy. Yeah, I did see that on camera. So guys, these are Samson and Solomon. That's Solomon drinking water. And Samson is there, ready to pounce on anyone. These are Savannah cats. So if you know what Savannah cats are, these guys are dangerous. I'm just joking, they're not. But they're very nice. And they're entertaining us here in 4K. So yes, you are getting this in ultra high definition. We're going a little closer there. Yeah, he's looking at the camera. Do you want to come down, Solomon? Nah, not so much. There we go. I know usually people on YouTube want cats to do tricks, but these guys do not operate that way. Yay! Ooh! Okay. That was pretty awesome. What's he looking at? Cute. Oh.
Let go, little dude. I'm gonna throw it. Oh my god, she's actually pulling me. Holy crap. Can I have it? Thank you. Oh no. Can I have it? Oh, he put his paw on my leg. No. Can I